Morning guys, so this morning I'm either going on a ferry to the other side of the bay, or I'm just going to go shopping, and this video is going to be a sewing video. So yeah, let's go. So I came in at 8:30 and I didn't need to be here until 10:30, so I'm going to go do some shopping and just make a separate video with the things that I buy. I can't remember what I need. Is this it? I need things for a belt. Is this elastic? No, this is elastic. But I think I need it thicker. Is this elastic? Yes, but that's for bras. That's it. Maybe that's Velcro. Fucking hell. I'm so lost. I've never been in this store. I so want to do some dyeing. Is it so pretty? Okay, so I called my mum and I also went and asked for some help, like a normal person would. I found the belt buckles, which I'm going to make myself a belt. I kind of like this one. But they're out of like the poplin that I want, so that sucks. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Woo. Alright, so let's look at the belt buckles. What's that one? This one. It's like, it would sit like that. But look at the price. Really pretty. They're so expensive. Like that one for that is more expensive than that one. My god. I think I want a big one than that. That one's nice. I don't know. I think I might have to like FaceTime my mum or something. So I'll do that real quick. Hi. I'll take them for right. Done. Now I have to go somewhere else. I don't know. I've got like an hour until I have to be at the place. We're not actually going on the ferry anymore. There's people around me. I'm feeling so awkward. You don't even understand. So I'm just going to sit somewhere and just be on my phone for half an hour. Can I get a latte with 1 sugar?
Yep, can I grab a latte with 1 sugar, please?
Large as well?
Yep. And we'll grab a Fanta as well, please. And we'll make that large too. You humming Boys to Men back there? Do you like Boys to Men as well?
No, I just know the song.
Boys to Men.
I used to like R&B. Jack? The latte.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thanks very much.
We got 5 shots.
What do you say?
Drive past the cemetery and trying to ask some boys, people are dying getting there. Or it's the dead centre of town.
I wonder what Stero's is like.
Maybe that's what
Yeah. Start first, yeah. Yeah. Maybe.
Should go fishing here, Jace. Wait.
No, it's swimming there. I don't see it then. Oh yeah, okay.
It's seafood. It's right there. It's a fish right
Are you
there.
sure it's not just a leaf?
No, it's a fish. I'm not Iron Man. See, right.
Where did he go?
It's looking a bit like a
He reckons there's a fish down there, so he's going to prove it.
I want to see the fish as well.
Don't injure yourself, Jason.
Oh, he's over there. Oh, I think he's getting a rock.
Oh, he's getting a rock.
Yeah.
I'd love to actually use it.
Yeah, can you see where it is though?
No.
That was a terrible shot.
Oh, yeah!
Oh,
Yeah, it swam out. It was a fish.
okay. I give you that.
Now you believe me.
Jace was right.
Alright.
I was silly wrong.
Yeah!
Sorry. Hello. Have some photos. This one's a bit sick. We've got no food for you, sorry. Bye.
I want to go back.
And I'm home now, so sorry that I didn't vlog on the way home and everything. My camera actually died. But yeah, it was a nice day. Had some good company. But now I think I'm just gonna maybe watch a movie. Might have a nap. And then I'll cook some dinner. And I might say goodnight after that. I don't know. Am I doing much else? I don't think I'm doing anything else. Might show you like what I have for dinner. What's going on. I'm gonna go snuggle up in my bed because it's really cold. Like the sun is out right now. Like it's super bright. Oh my god. But it's still so cold. So I'm gonna go lay in bed with my cat. And then cook some dinner. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so sorry about the light quality, but right now it's currently like 8:30. I didn't vlog what I had for dinner because like I kind of don't want to be that person that shows you every meal that they have. Like I showed you like 2 seconds of what I had for lunch, so yeah. But basically I've just been sitting around, had some dinner, watched like an hour and a half of like creepypastas, watched some TV, and that's pretty much it. And then like I've just been editing my video now, which will probably go up Sunday morning. But I realised that like a lot of the shopping clips in it, in the beginning. Penny, you're so naughty. Fuck, I can't remember. Yeah, so 80% of the shopping clips don't have much sound because I was out in public and I was so awkward. Like, I'm not ready to vlog in front of people, but I have another vlog planned in 2 weeks. So not next week's video, but maybe the week after. We'll see how sober I am, so then I can get it out on time. I'm going to Melbourne with my friends for a weekend, so I might vlog it, but I'm not sure. If I don't, then it was probably a really shitty vlog. Okay, so quickly, because like I didn't actually say where we ended up going. So the place that we ended up going was like Erskine Falls. It's a nice place in Lorne, which is in Victoria in Australia, which is where I live, obviously. But it was really pretty. We did see a lot more than I actually vlogged, but like we walked down this like steep mountain. It was like that big. Well, it was like that steep. So like I was puffed out, and like a lot of my clips that I did film, all you can hear in the background is me going. I didn't want to put that on YouTube, so but it was really nice, and if you ever find yourself in Lorne, I would recommend going there because it's really pretty. There wasn't much water going down the waterfall though, so it didn't really look like a waterfall, but it was raining anyway, so there was still water coming down from the sky. But yeah, the weather was really shitty, but I didn't fall over, so that's okay. So I'm just about to get ready for bed. We'll finish editing the video and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I just thought I would film this before I go to bed. Obviously I look like crap right now because I took all my makeup off. I'll see you guys next week. Leave a like if you want, I don't mind. Subscribe as well if you want. It helps out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!